friends, I'm Danielle M. Welcome to our brand new house that we bought here in Wisconsin. I'm about to give you guys a house tour. We absolutely are loving this house right now. We're actually right in the city, but you would never know based on this piece of property that we were so blessed to find. It feels like a little tree house to us, like in a garden getaway. It is so peaceful. You guys can probably hear all the nature already. So let's go inside and I'll show you guys what it looks like kind of in its raw condition right now. There's a lot of updates and things that we're going to be doing in the next couple weeks, months, however long it takes us. And I hope you guys can stick around for the journey. Let's go. Okay, this is our front entryway. Wait, I'll change sides with me here and go on that side so they can get a good view of this. So you guys let me know what you think for this space, but I am seeing a round jute rug right here, and I kind of wanted to hang a swing chair right here, or an egg chair, but I'm also kind of scared to ruin the wood ceilings that we have up here. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I do want to get a little coffee table that I can put books in. Maybe 2 chairs or 1 chair here, but that's kind of what I'm saying. And also some hanging plants. Gotta add some more plants. Let's go into the kitchen. This is our kitchen right now. So lots of things that we see happening in here, but for now it is perfectly pretty and a nice space. We already ordered new hardware for the cabinets. Those should be coming in soon. In the future, I would love to put an island right here or right here, somewhere in here. There's this lamp that hangs here. I'm assuming they used to keep a round table here, but I really don't need it. So it's just a lamp that needs to go. It has no purpose. This is our pantry that we keep upstairs just for seasoning and stuff. But mostly all these cabinets just hold my dishes, which means where's all the food? I will show that to you guys in a minute. For now, let's move to the living room. Okay, this is our living room. I know I talked to you guys about the couch and I was really worried it wouldn't fit in this space, but alas, it does fit. And I'm actually quite surprised, pleasantly surprised, because we had just bought it before we moved here, not knowing. So we also have our fireplace over here. And I hope you guys, if you're not already subscribed, I hope you subscribe, because I have a nice DIY coming with this area somewhere. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think I'm gonna do to this to change it? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? And then off the living room is the dining room right here. I already ordered a new table, so we're just waiting for that to come in, and then once that comes in, I'll figure out what chairs I need here, but I don't know until the table comes. So that's all gonna be, this is all gonna change as well. And I also have a DIY idea I would really like to do with this, but I don't know if it's possible, so we'll see. But if I end up doing that, I will also show you guys what I'm gonna do. On this main floor, we also have my office over here that I have done nothing with so far. It's also going to be a guest room. So basically it's just an empty slate right now. Things to come. Off of that is basically our guest bathroom and also Lael's private bathroom. Nice little bathroom for her. And then from the bathroom, you go into Lael's room, which is actually the room that we've probably done the most in already. And I'll show you guys what we did. So this used to be a fan that was very old looking and did not go in here at all. And Lael doesn't really need a fan in here because it doesn't get that hot. And yes, Lael does have a bed. It actually, I think, is supposed to arrive on Friday. So she's just sleeping on a mattress for now. You know, it's okay, it's cool. But her bed is on the way. And then from there, it's just the laundry room. And, you know, it's just got laundry stuff in it. As you can see, we do the laundry here. I have a lot of plans I would like to do for this room. We have a lovely laundry chute that I have to empty. That goes up to the master bedroom. And I would love someday to add in shelves and make this a proper laundry room, but for now, this is what it is, with the very old linoleum tile that I think is original to the house. This house was built in the 1940s, and when it was built originally, it was just this main floor that we're on right now, and then the previous owners dug down and built a basement, and then quite a few years later, they actually built up and built the upstairs. But they did such a great job, you would really honestly never know unless somebody told you. So let's go upstairs. Okay, once you go upstairs, there is a cute little private deck right off. The master's over here, and then on this side is a private little deck. Just like that. And then from there, you can walk into the master bedroom. You guys, I have plans for almost every room in our house, but this is the one room that really eludes me. I'm not sure what to do in here, so I would love you guys to let me know down in the comments, specifically, where should the bed go in here? That's the doorway where you are. There's a bathroom, there's a closet. You have two weird side walls, this wall and this wall. And then you have this wall with the windows. It's kind of awkward space. And I don't know what to do with it. You guys let me know. If you have any good ideas, I need to hear what they are. And then over here is just our master closet with the lovely laundry chute, which is actually one of my husband's very favorite things about the house, laundry chute. It really does make it convenient. Messy closet. From there you go into our master bathroom. That was open. Kind of boring, just bathtub, both of our sinks. And then over on this side is a toilet that you can kind of block off and it can be its own space. But some of my favorite things about this bathroom is, first with the shower, it has a double shower head. You guys, it is like the best shower. And I think I'm always gonna have to be spoiled and have a double shower head now. Can't go back. And then my other favorite thing, which we just realized, we didn't even know this was here, is this bottom switch is actually heat. So for the winter or fall, when it gets cold in the bathroom, you can actually heat this whole room, and it's pretty amazing. From there, we're gonna head over to the biggest guest room, which I might actually end up making this my office / guest bedroom because it's the biggest room. There's also a linen closet right here. You walk into this room, and we haven't really done anything with this room yet either, but we do have a bed. This is gonna go because clearly it doesn't fit. But yeah, it's just a nice space for any of our guests who come visit us. So one of the things that I do love most about this house is everywhere you look, there's open windows, which even more gives you that feeling of kind of being in a tree house. And to me, this house really plays into that Scandinavian feel. So as I'm decorating, that's kind of the mood and feel I'm gonna go for. Let's go downstairs. Look at Chai. Okay, and as you can remember, the kitchen is right down that way. And then right next to the kitchen is the stairs to go downstairs. And right when you go downstairs, you will see to our left is going to be the pantry. So you do have to go walk down a few stairs, but we keep most of the necessities upstairs, and everything else like snacks for the kids and extra drinks and stuff is down here. So we did add this fridge, just recently got this, and it's really been a lifesaver. And we also added in some of these shelves, which was a pain because this is concrete, but we were able to do that so we could add some extra shelving for the kitchen. And then over on this back side is basically just a mud room where we keep our shoes and stuff. Something we would like to do is through here on the floor and then all the way out. Keep going, Leah. All of this span the whole floor right here, this tile floor. We would like to retile all of this floor all the way into the laundry room sometime soon. And then we have this is the basement. Let me know what you guys would do in this space, because not really sure. I'm thinking of putting an exercise bike right here. But other than that, I don't know. And then over here is where Mr. eats. And also, so you can go into our beautiful backyard. Tries like feed me. Over here you can see is our living room, which is where the TV is, because really the only people who watch the TV is the kids, as Levi is exhibiting. Thank you, Levi. We obviously need to get furniture, as I don't have any furniture yet.
Mister's mad at you.
Oh, and one of the things we do like that the previous owners did is they continued the wood ceilings down into the basement, which is really nice for a basement to have that touch. Come over here, and this is Levi's private bathroom. He picked out this lovely shower curtain. And then in here is Levi's bedroom. It's just kind of dim, sorry. His bed is also ordered and on the way. This is his inspiration picture for his bedroom. This is a picture his grandfather took in Africa, because that's where his grandfather and grandmother live is in Africa, and that's a picture his grandpa took. So that's kind of the inspiration for Levi's bedroom. And then something we didn't know when we bought the house, because when we looked, we couldn't open this door when we did our house tour, because the previous owners had so much stuff in here we couldn't tell. So we were surprised when we bought the house to find that behind this door was basically another giant bedroom. So our plan is to extend this for Levi's room, because his room is really small right now, and we would love to make it bigger and add a proper closet for him and give him actual carpet flooring down here. But for now, this is working for him.
Mr. Heavy breathing.
Yeah, I know, they're like, feed us. Levi, how are you liking this house? Thumbs up. What's your favorite thing about this house?
Backyard.
What is it?
Backyard.
The backyard? Yeah. You guys can hear Mr. drinking.
Oh.
Ew, why you have to be so gross?
Especially on camera, mister.
A shame. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining us. That's the end of our house tour. Leia, what's your favorite thing about this house?
I really like my room having my own bathroom.
Yeah. And your room is going to be pretty stylish when we're done with it. I mean, it's already pretty stylish, I'd say, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
My favorite thing is probably Levi's also. It is just our yard. Every morning I've been walking or running our yard because it's pretty big and also pretty like hilly, so I get a good workout. And I just walk and pray, and it's been like the best. It's such a good time of meditation and just to refocus and get ready for your day. So that's my favorite thing. But we hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. Let me know down in the comments if I missed anything that you wanted to see, and I'll try and show it to you guys some other time. Catch me on Instagram and Facebook, where I really show you all the updates. Sometimes I don't get a chance to show you guys everything on YouTube. And if you've made it this far to the end of the video, then I hope that means that you liked this video and this tour, and you can give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, or follow me along if you're on Facebook. Right, Leo?
Yeah.
Alright, bye you guys. Stay in the glow wherever you go. Bye. Close it out, Mimi.